Welcome to Kishore's NEET Pathshala. In this video lecture, we will see the concept of dimensional analysis in detail. Okay. In dimensional analysis, we are using M for indicating mass and L for indicating length, T for indicating time, and A for indicating current. A is nothing but the unit of current, which is ampere. Next, K for indicating temperature. Here K is nothing but Kelvin, and mole for indicating the amount of substance, number of moles. And remember that we must enclose always it in bracket. Okay. Now here let us see certain concepts. How we want to find the dimensional formula. Suppose let us take the simple thing, velocity, which is nothing but distance by time taken. Distance is nothing but length, time taken is nothing but second, so time we are just representing L. T is coming to the numerator with the power -1. Like this way we must represent velocity. Shall we find it for energy? Energy is nothing but, let us take kinetic energy, 1/2 mv square. Remember that numbers, they do not have any dimensional value. Dimensional representation is not there for numbers. Let us do for this thing, mv square. M is nothing but mass, so m. Velocity we have found out here, L t power -1 the whole square, which comes out to be m L square t power -2. Now let us do for refractive index. You don't worry, refractive index formula you will read in the ray optics chapter, which is mu is equal to speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium. Speed of light in vacuum is, dimension is L t power -1. Speed of light in vacuum is also, since both are speed, they have the same dimension, and for this the formula is t power t0. So it is not having any dimensional formula. Which of the following do not have any dimensional formula? They will ask in the numerical. For this type, for those type, you must work out like this. Okay. It has another one application. Suppose let us take a simple equation. V is equal to U plus A E. This we everyone know. What is the unit dimension for velocity? It is L t power -1. U is nothing but initial velocity. This also have the same dimension. Plus this is acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but velocity by time. Velocity's dimension is L t power -1 and time's dimension is t, which comes out to be L t power -2. So L t power -2 into time, which is time. So see that L t power -1 is equal to L t power -1 plus L t power -1. See, all the terms, they have same dimension. So this is one application of dimensional analysis to find whether the equation is correct or not. But see that kinetic energy, we know that kinetic energy is 1/2 mv square. Suppose if I am writing kinetic energy is 7/8 mv square, then if you check the dimensional analysis, it comes out to be m L square t power -2, which is same, but here since the number is not having any dimension, we are not representing it. This equation k is equal to 7/8 mv square is dimensionally correct, but physically it is a wrong equation. So we can say that all the dimensionally correct equations are not physically correct equations. Okay. Then you must remember all the dimensionless quantities. While you are reading the chapters, all the chapters, you may have different formulas. From that they will ask the question in NEET examination. So you must remember all the formulas to work out the dimensional analysis. In the next video, we will see certain applications, that is certain numericals which will be asked in NEET examination from this concept. Surely from this concept they are asking questions in NEET examination every year. So we must learn this concept. In the next video, we will deal certain numericals. I hope you like this lecture. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Kishore Sneak Padasala. Thank you.